In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Notion through a simple and seamless integration tutorial. With these two powerful tools working together, you can streamline your productivity and keep all of your tasks organized effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, we'll begin by heading over to Zapier. Zapier is an essential online platform that allows you to connect your favorite apps and services, helping them work together without any coding required. Once you're on Zapier's homepage, you'll want to click on the Create button. This will allow us to start setting up what's known as a Zap. Essentially, that's an automated process that connects two or more apps together. After clicking Create, you'll see an option to manage Zaps, so select that. Here, we will begin selecting a trigger, which is an event that starts this automated process. In the context of this integration, our trigger will come from Microsoft To Do. Let's type in Microsoft To Do in the search bar to locate it more quickly. Once it appears in the search results, click on Microsoft To Do. We now must decide which specific event in Microsoft To Do will trigger our Notion actions. You will see a few event options displayed here, so choose the one that best fits your needs in terms of how you'd like to initiate the connection from To Do to Notion. Next, you will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Ensure you use the correct account associated with your Microsoft To Do. After successfully logging in, click on your account to select it. Now, it's time to set up the connection to Notion. Start by typing Notion in the search field. Once you find it, make sure you click on Notion to proceed. We then need to define what we want to accomplish in Notion once the trigger in Microsoft To Do occurs. Choose Create Event here to set up an action, meaning whenever your trigger goes off, this will be the specific task or event Notion will perform. Following that, it's important to log into your Notion account. Similar to before, make sure you're using the account associated with the workspace you want to integrate. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to interface with your account seamlessly. After logging in, proceed by clicking Continue. Throughout this process, Zapier will provide various on-screen prompts and tips to guide you and ensure everything is linked properly. Be sure to follow these directions carefully, as they are there to help you fine-tune the integration according to your preferences and unique requirements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Microsoft To Do with Notion using Zapier. This integration can now help you maximize your productivity by keeping your tasks synchronized across both platforms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your organizational tasks much more manageable. Thanks for watching.